So how do you write a job shadowing thank you letter or email? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you a step-by-step process I recommend to write a thank you letter for after job shadowing. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Ryan Corte, and this is Ryan Reflects. On this channel, I share with you actionable personal development content, as well as my thoughts on trending topics and common life experiences. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Also, throughout any point in the video, make sure you check out the notes and links in the description below. Putting together a thank you message after shadowing goes a long way. It can easily be done in a letter or an email, and is a great way to show gratitude to those you shadowed. Personally, I've written and received numerous thank you letters. So here's a step-by-step process you can follow to write a job shadowing thank you. Step one, how and where are you sending the message? So how are you sending the message? Well, if it's an email, you're sending electronically, you're gonna need an email address. And on the flip side, if it's a letter, a physical letter, you're gonna need a mailing address. A little bit of a pro tip here, when you go into shadow, grab the person's business card. That way you have all the information you need. Usually there is an email address as well as a physical address that you can follow up with. If you don't have that information though, Google's a very powerful tool and you should be able to find this information. Both emails and physical letters are perfectly fine. It's really the thought that counts. Step two, make sure you get their title right. You know, unless you have a personal relationship with the individual that you shadowed, it's really important that you address them appropriately with the correct title in the thank you letter. If you were fortunate enough to grab their business card, then you're in good shape. You can see how they address themselves on their business card. However, if you didn't, a quick Google search can also help you out from MR or MRS or MS or DR, right? How you're starting that title, or even after the person's name, comma, MS, comma, OD, comma, DO, comma, MD. There are a lot of different ways to address a professional, and you just want to make sure that you get it right. Step three, thank the person for their time. Time is the most valuable asset we all have, and the person you shadowed took time out of their busy schedule to let you into their professional life. As a result, thanking them for their time shows that you appreciated every opportunity they had given you, and genuinely is a great way to lead off any thank you letter. Step four, personalize the thank you message. No one can be you better than you, so let your personality shine in that thank you letter. Take the time to highlight why was that shadowing opportunity important to you, and what did you learn during that experience, and how is it going to impact your future or current career. And a pro tip, did you take a photo? Maybe it was a selfie or a group photo during the shadowing process. Include it. This is easily done in an email, but you can also go old-fashioned, print it out and include it in the thank you letter that you mail in. Step five, keep the door open for future contact. Honestly, every interaction with somebody that you shadow is a great way to network. So leave them the best way to follow up and contact you in the future. Also, if you're interested in a job, maybe it's a part-time or an entry-level internship, let them know. Let them know how excited you were to spend time in their company, in their facility, in their presence, and how you would be a great fit if they're bringing on and adding to their team. Step six, include your name and title at the end. This is kind of a no-brainer, but make sure you include your name, your contact information, as well as your title at the end of the message. If you don't have an official title, let them know that you're a student, where you're at in the student process, and where you go to school. Step seven, send a thank you right after the job shadow. Honestly, don't procrastinate, as you might forget to send the thank you. Do it as soon as possible. You'll have all the experiences, all the details kind of top of mind. And of course, the person you're shadowing will remember, hey, I just had this person in here following my day-to-day interactions. And wow, I already got an email or a letter a few days later. That is awesome. They're gonna think really highly of you. In the description below, there is a link with a few examples of job shadowing thank you letters. Make sure you check it out. So what questions do you have about job shadowing thank you letters? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for my next video where we can reflect and grow stronger together.